Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert and today I am bringing you to my first unboxing for the first week of the Supreme Spring Summer 2021 season. So obviously this is the week 1 unboxing and the items are just behind us. They're literally just 2, so it's not going to be that long at the end of the day and I'm not going to take too much time on it. Obviously, no patch. My eye is still a bit uncomfortable and causing a bit of discomfort, but at the end of the day I don't need to wear the patch from now on because it's not at that point that it was. So yeah, that's a good thing. But as per norm, let me know down below whether your items have arrived from week 1. If they have, what did you cop? Are you stocking, rocking or reselling what you copped? Or do you have a set date when your item is going to arrive or when it will arrive in the end? Other than that, obviously I think we have to wait until next Thursday for week 2, which is a bit of a disappointment because in the past they'd obviously do a lookbook preview on Monday, the in-store Thursday, the drop on a Monday, and then the following drop the following week, which would only leave about a week in the end because you'd get your items and then the next week would be there. But now we've got a full week of waiting till the next drop. But there are a couple of things dropping this week, so it's not the worst in the world. But yeah, let's just get straight into this. Okay, so now we can get straight into the unboxing. Obviously I haven't done an unboxing in a little bit of time. I have been saving a lot of the stuff just for a video for this Saturday to unbox it all. Also because I was sent a couple of things and I just want to open them with the majority of the other things and separate like Supreme unboxing from like streetwear, sneakers and everything. So, well, still something with Supreme, but yeah, you get what I mean. I want to make this just the week 1 unboxing and then a separate one on Saturday. So yeah, let's just get straight into this anyway, because obviously I'm one of the greatest people when it comes to unboxing Supreme packages. So we'll move this out of the way and we'll have this here, which is obviously going to be my dice set. Now, I was thinking about like the odds of a sticker being in here or a sticker pack being in here and that sticker pack being bent or damaged or something. I was thinking I've got quite high odds because the last like 3 times I've like ordered from Supreme and it's, come in a smaller box or a bit of a different box. They've always been damaged. So with that all said and done, still, I haven't lost my talent for opening. There was no point in me ripping that part. Who needs scissors where you've got pure strength? Okay, I need scissors. Never cut towards yourself. Right, there we go. We've got it open. So, I'm confused. I've been defeated by a box. Is this meant to slide out or? Right. Ta-da. Okay. So, let's start off with the obvious. Yeah, the stickers are obviously nice and straight, and then we have the bubbles. So we might as well open this up, to be honest. So there are the bubbles. Supreme Booster Fix. Yeah. There they are. They're those bubbles. So sell by date on these, I'd give you like a year. You've got near enough. To use them and have your fun with them. It looks like it's a glue stick, to be honest, but yeah, bubbles. Then we've got the stickers, which I'll just slap back in here afterwards, but standard box logo sticker. We've then got the like spirally one, and we've got the Sean Kleiber mouse one. So yeah, I'll take them. Not the worst, not the best, but yeah. What is that? It's fine. Thought it was a nail. Now let's go on to the dice, or the aluminium or aluminum dice. I might as well open this up because I was expecting something a bit more special actually for a box, but it's okay. Right, well yeah, that makes up for it I suppose. That's a bit better. Let's see if that'll focus at all. Of course not, why would it? But yeah, there you go. Supreme, open it up. Oh, they are actually metal dice. Oh. God, you imagine if someone gets angry during a game. That is going... that will, yeah, wow. That's cold and that's actual metal. That will hurt. Someone gets angry throwing the dice and they break a television. Also on the dice, it's also got Supreme. If you can see, it says Supreme. It's so difficult to focus this, but yeah. There they are. They've got some velvety material sort of thing on the inside, and that's about it. But let's slide that back in, leave the Supreme part facing up, and yeah. Bit of a, wow, that is, okay, there you go, that's fly. Not the greatest technological choices or craft when it comes to closing that, but you know, it's fine. We've got a couple of things, so this box is just going to be useless, so that can move out the way. So let's move on to the main thing that I copped from last week. Obviously that is going to be the KAWS deck. This is the third deck set, or yeah, that's the easiest way to phrase it, that they've released. Most expensive obviously being 2001, I believe, which one set of that 2001 set went to auction at Christie's, which is, you can't auction just about anything there, you know, it has to be specific items. Well, they have to have at least a price to them, and yeah, it sold for 26 and a bit thousand in the end at that auction. So a little bit out of my budget, to be honest, tiny bit, but that's just what happens with things at the end of the day, or with items that are sought after, I suppose would be the way to phrase it properly. Especially that set, I think, is really nice, and it's like, it was bound to happen with something like that. In my view, it's like one of the better sets that they've released. Obviously there's Kermit and things, but in terms of like an art side, well, you have Ramsey as well, which is quite on the art side, but strictly with KAWS, you know, it's very much so going to be sought after. But I am really just terrible at opening things. Right, we're there. It's only taken a long duration of time, but let's get this out. I was going to say about skateboard, so I was happy, obviously, that I was able to get the colorway that I wanted, but the thing is that I really did like the 2014, I think it was, design that they went with, which was the logo being smaller. It was lower down, but it was smaller. I wish they'd done that with this, but like the 20th anniversary deck, and put it towards the top instead, or centered it. But anyway, you can't be, you know, upset with things like this. So let's get this out. You will see it before me, because that's how it goes. And I hope that it's the right way around, because obviously it's the KAWS deck in the violet colorway. Yeah, that looks cool. I'm happy with that. I had it the wrong way around. There you go. There it is. I did really like pink. You know, pink was a nice color, but when I saw it, you know, as an in-hand, it just didn't do anything for me. And I think this bluey purple is just so much better. In terms of resale, this is either first or second, because then it's either pink or yellow that are like at the top. I forgot to say that with like prior releases, they'd already released a couple of the colorways before, and that's why strictly going for like not the normal ones was the better option in terms of if you wanted to sell it on. But yeah, in terms of that, you know, I'm just happy that I was able to get it in the end, and it's just going to join my deck collection. Sticker pack. Bubbles. Forgot about the bubbles. I got a box logo sticker, thank you, and it's bent as well. Right, so we got another set of the bubbles, obviously. And have so much fun, you know. We then got a Raphael sticker. I really wanted one of these, so I'm glad that I was able to get that. It says Viacom on the back. Copyright. Ooh. Standard box logo sticker, sorted. And then we have also Sony copyright, yeah. We then have the Prodigy one, which you've probably already seen, but yeah, I really wanted this one, so that's going to go with all of my other box logo stickers. But yeah, that is going to cover it in the end. Let me slide this box out of the way. That is going to cover this unboxing. I am not in the center. Now I am. But yeah, that is going to cover this unboxing. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, I've obviously got another one out on Saturday, which is going to have a lot more things in it. It's probably like 15 or so things in it. So yeah, but yeah, that is it. Let me know if you were able to get any of the stickers or anything. I don't know which sticker I'm missing. Oh, water pistol, that's the one I would have wanted. And I'm 100% sure that is like a unreleased or a different model to the original like water pistol that they released, because the original has like a little bit at the top where like the nozzle is, whereas their one is completely flat at that point. So unless Supreme have like the Wish version of their own water pistol, then it's an unreleased one that they've got, or they've just edited one, I don't know. But yeah, that's going to cover it anyway. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Peace.